Hey guys, this is Vineet here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be discussing about Union Bank of India Local Bank Officer LBO strategy. So as I have told you, the selection process will be online exam or GD, online exam and GD plus personal interview. It's not necessary that the GD will be conducted. All right. So the online exam consists of these sections: reasoning and computer aptitude. Computer questions are not asked. A lot of you asked me about this. It's totally reasoning only. So 45 questions, 60 marks. English and Hindi will be available and 60 minutes. All right. General economy banking awareness, that is current affairs, general awareness. So you have to prepare this well. 40 question, 40 marks, 35 minutes. DI, data analysis and interpretation, 35, 60. ठीक है. Then English, 35 questions, 40 marks, 40 minutes. All right. After that, a descriptive section will be conducted. For that, you will have to write a letter and an essay, that is of 25 marks, wherein essay will be of 15 marks and letter will be of 10 marks. And you'll have to qualify. I think 10 will be the cutoff for everyone. You'll have to qualify that. And this will be counted in the final mains cutoff. All right. So the expected exam date is around December first week or so. So you have time. Almost 1 month is there. You should prepare well. And that too, the level of the exam, I'll tell you, it will be of IBPS or SBI PO, almost pre-level. All right, this is a big thing. So ये कैसे पता चला कि ये प्री लेवल होगा? ये आप रेफरेंस अगर इंडियन बैंक एलबीओ का लेंगे एग्ज़ाम का, सो देर hasn't been much exams for the local bank officer, but recently Indian Bank conducted it, so it was almost of the pre-level. The paper was quite easy. Attempts were great. Out of, I think, around 130 to 160 people have attempted. All right, more than 150 attempts are there. So the level will be of pre, maybe a bit more than pre, not too much, but you can practice for this. If you practice SBI PO pre-level questions, I think that will be enough. But I'll also suggest you to practice RRB clerk mains level questions, so that you are prepared for the worst. अगर questions hard आ गए या level थोड़े ऊपर गए, तो it will be RRB clerk mains level, I think. Since only one bank is conducting this exam, I don't think the level will be too much. So for worst case, prepare at RRB clerk mains level also, and SBI PO pre level. So what should you attempt first? I'll tell you. Most of the questions were from reading comprehension. 10 questions were there. Then phrase replacement 5 questions, single fillers 5, parajumble 5, choose correct sentence 5, word usage 3, match the column. This is purely pre-level type. All right. This is I've referred Indian Bank LBO exam for this local bank officer. So what you can attempt first to increase your marks, to solve more questions quickly in less time, you can attempt word usage first. All right. Then match the column. This is wholly concept based. I have recently solved it live. You can watch that video. So you can see, even if you don't know grammar, you can still mark the answers in the match the column. It is concept based and you can eliminate through options. Word usage is also the same. Using options, you can eliminate. You just need to know the meaning of the sentence. Then you'll be able to select the word. And your vocab should be a bit should be better. All right. Then phrase replacement, single fillers. This also depends on your vocabulary. This also depends on your vocab. Parajumble, okay. Choose correct sentence, options. Reading comprehension, you can attempt. This numbering I have done according to what you can attempt first, but you can do as per your convenience also, as per your strengths. So reading comprehension, you should practice at least 3 to 4 5 RCs every day. The more you do, the better you will be at reading comprehensions. Then you should read editorials or anything that is good for your vocab. You need to improve your vocab, because you can see 5 marks, 5 5 3 8, around you can say 10 to 12 marks vocab related questions come, because even in reading comprehensions there are synonyms, antonyms type of questions. That is wholly vocabulary. Then error detection, you should practice 10 to 20 questions, because even if you don't know the answer, you can see the solutions, and there always be one grammar rule associated with it, grammar or some rule that will help you later. So just remember these things and practice it properly. Parajumbles, you should practice one or two sets, phrase replacement, all right, and practice all the miscellaneous question like word usage, match the column, correct sentence, single. These you'll get. Where you'll get these questions, you can see the YouTube videos of classes or teachers. They'll be solving this. Then you can refer to Guidely bundle and your whatever mock test you have, or I'll show you the Guidely bundle which you can refer. So I'll put the link in the description. This is the Guidely bundle, Union Bank of India local बैंक ऑफिसर PDF कोर्स, ठीक है। तो आपको ऑलरेडी अगर आपने लिया है तो आप देख लीजिएगा, आपको शायद वो ऑलरेडी पैकेज एक्सेस हो जाएगा। जिसने नहीं लिया है, you can use my code. It is not of 221. I'll show you. If you view the package, see there are mocks also and exam PDF course is there. So if you apply my code VKS12, I think it will come around 188. So you'll get around 15% discount for this if you apply my code. So you can go for this and you'll get the package. You'll get everyday package for cons, reasoning and English. All right, and you can solve them. Then you can practice mocks. Otherwise, you'll have to refer some videos and everything. All right. So if we come to cons, the level was easy to moderate only, moderate side. So there were speed maths questions. Speed maths are simplification, quadratic equation, approximation, wrong number, missing number series. So around 10 questions were speed maths, DI 15 and arithmetic. Similar to what happens in mains exam, pre-exam, prelims exam. ठीक है. So speed maths, you need to solve 10 to 20 questions each. DI different types, 4 to 5 sets every day. Arithmetic chapter wise you can complete right now. You can take one chapter at a time and complete it in 3 to 4 days. Watch the concept videos. You can refer to Kaushik sir, Ashish sir, Harshal sir, or any other classes, any classes. Okay, to cover your concept like Adda, Olive board. There are many classes also through which you can cover your concept and practice other different chapters of arithmetic. But please complete ratio and percentage first so that you will be able to solve more questions in data interpretation. Sources will be YouTube, Guidely PDF bundle that I have showed you. You can use my code there. Mocks or tests and certified Telegram PDFs. They have too many PDFs, around 500 to 600 PDFs from which you can practice there, and it is available for free. So practice first, then go on to mocks. Reasoning was easy to moderate. Speed reasoning. What is speed reasoning? So the questions like silog, blood relation, direction based, these questions are from speed reasoning. So around 7 to 8 questions were asked from speed reasoning. You can see silog, direction, symbol based. All right, so you have to decode the symbol, then it is normal, then it is a normal question. Puzzles was plus sitting arrangement were asked. 25 questions were asked. So you need to practice this every day, different types of sets every day. Then practice speed reasoning, 3 to 4 sets, that is log, blood relation and all. Then input output, 2 sets. Matrix based with condition is easy, actually not that tough. You can attempt it. You will be able to find this in the Guidely PDF bundle. Meaningful word, that is pre-level. All right. Miscellaneous is anything word related or something. Input output. So see, the puzzles which were doable were box puzzle. Normal puzzle was there. This was doable. This was doable. This I was not able to see the question, so I don't know about this. And this is outside and inside, so it is a bit tricky, but only 7%. So that was not that tough. Most of the questions were doable. So you need to practice these things properly every day. When we come to general awareness, so see, important months for this exam is July, August, September, October, November. If you have time, then cover June as well, or if you have already covered June, then good. Government schemes, budget, all right. Government schemes like the flagship schemes, Suraksha Bima Yojana, Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Atal Pensions, Sukanya Samriddhi, Mahila Saman Nidhi, Kisan Vikas Patra, PM Kisan, Saman Nidhi, Mudra, Vaya Vandana Yojana, KCC, and any other financial or insurance related schemes that you will find. And as per the Indian Bank LBO, most of the question were of static type. Yeah, most of the question was static type, direct one liners. So please do it properly. Then other topics you have to do that you have to cover is banking and finance, economy, business news, index, MOU, national, state, science and tech, defense, awards, book authors, important days, appointment, obituaries. You have to do these much properly actually, because it was more on the static side, Indian Bank LBO. But you should cover these things also. You never know what comes in the exam. So the source you can use is, if we talk about the free source, you can watch videos of any teachers, or you can use Affairs Cloud. Okay, the PDFs you'll find on Telegram. Okay, all right. So this is about general awareness, current affairs. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. When we come on to descriptive, essay and letter writing are there. So for this, I've already uploaded a video. I'll show it to you. Watch that properly. You'll understand the formats and everything. So here is the video. You can see descriptive strategy. I've also given the most important topics for the exam. You can watch this video so you'll understand whatever is important for the descriptive section. I've discussed the formats, the how to write a formal letter, from where to do that. I've discussed everything about it. So you can watch this video. So that's it for this video. I feel I've covered everything. If you have any doubts or anything, let me know in the comments. And do not forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any such strategies. Thank you and keep preparing.